Hey, how's it going, guys? And welcome back to another Stock Kings YouTube video. And today we'll be going over Healthier Choices Management Corporation, ticker symbol HCMC. Now, HCMC has just replied to Philip Morris's motion to dismiss, and in their response, they have a lot of great information for us to go over. And if you have any interest in HCMC, this is something you're definitely going to want to stick around for, as we will be talking about this a little later in the video. But also, we'll be going over some updated price targets as well as some updated stock and technical analysis for you guys. So that's also something you're definitely going to want to stick around for. But before we get into this video, if you guys enjoy this content, please drop a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications so you know whenever we come out with a new video. And I really appreciate all the support on this channel. So thank you guys so much for that. And I also have my Instagram link down below if you'd be interested in following that. I post new details about this channel daily. So if you want to keep up more to date with this channel and what's going on, please go follow that as well. But just kind of summarize what's going on with price action here recently. We have just a little bit of a consolidation in this area, a lot of going up and down, not really breaking up or breaking down anywhere, not a lot of movement, which has been a little frustrating as an HCMC investor. So there also has not been a lot of news going on with this stock. We are still well above trading the 200 EMA, but we are just below the 50 EMA, and we're kind of right in the middle, heading down towards a little oversold territory on the RSI. But let's get right into this response from HCMC. We have them responding in opposition to the dismissal for failure to state a claim filed by HCMC. Now, this is basically HCMC telling the judge that they do not believe that this file should be dismissed by the courts. They're saying that Philip Morris does not have any claim against this dismissal, and this is kind of the response where they go over all of the things that they believe is why he should not dismiss this case. And now this is a 31-page document. And this starts to make a lot of sense as why they would want to extend this response. They would definitely need more time to get this huge document put together. It's 31 pages, and it definitely shows that they are, ready to fight this for the long term. They're taking this very, very seriously, and they believe that they definitely have grounds in this court case, and they believe that they can actually win it. Now, with this being a 31-page document, we will not be going over the whole thing, as this would turn into a very long-winded video. However, we do have some screenshots here from Julian Saunders' Twitter account, and we'll be going over some key details of this document. So right here we have their introduction, and Healthier Choices complaint alleges that defendants infringe either literally or under the doctrine of equivalence Healthier Choices U.S. patent titled Electronic Pipe. And this is kind of what the court case is over. They also begin here by saying, defendant's motion misses the mark for several reasons. So right away, they're getting right into it, going right into why Philip Morris is missing the mark. First, Healthier Choices well-pleaded complaint complies with the pleading requirements of this court and Iqbal Twombly with sufficient detail to put defendants on fair notice of the plausible claims asserted in statements in support thereof. Specifically, Healthier Choices relies on admissions in documents defendants themselves submitted to the FDA, which at best shows that the IQOS, which is the technology that the patent that has infringed on the patent, tobacco heating system, IQOS system, is 97% combustion free. So this is something very key right here. And also thereby admitting that some combustion occurs. So they are admitting that there is 3% combustion when there should be none. Second, and just as fatal to defendant's motion, the FDA scientific review appended to their motion as allegedly proving that the IQOS system is combustion free, in fact shows that the FDA merely concluded that defendants' data submitted to the FDA suggest that combustion does not occur. The FDA statement relied upon by defendants here neither refutes the 97% combustion-free statement set forth in the complaint, nor does it establish non-infringement of 170 Patent Claim 5, which requires inter alia only at least partially combusting the combustible material. So what they're saying is Philip Morris does not have any refutes for the 97% combustion free when it should be 100% combustion free. So they're stating that there is still 3% combustion in the IQO system, which does not refute the fact that is infringing on their 170 patent claim. Also, third, defendant's motion clearly raises a genuine dispute as to the meaning of the term combustion. as it is used in the claims of the 170 patent. Further, defendants attempt to impermissibly rely on the FDA scientific review to advance a construction for the term combustion that is unquestionably disputed for purposes of their Rule 12b6 motion. Specifically, defendants' reliance on FDA scientific review is misplaced and irrelevant to the construction for any term in the 170 patent because it is impermissible to conflate FDA's use of the term combustion with an analysis of what that term means in the context of the 170 patent. So that what they're saying is they are relying on this FDA scientific review when it does not refute any of the claims that HCMC has against Philip Morris. So we have a lot of information here. And again, I am not a lawyer. I am not a financial advisor. So anything that you do, any decisions that you make on trades with HCMC, please do your own due diligence and based on your own opinions. However, do I think this will go to trial? No, I do not think this will go to trial, even though HCMC has some definitely, I do think they could win. They have some great grounds for these claims. However, I do not think Philip Morris will let it go that far. Instead, I do think there will be a settlement in this case. So with that being said, if there is a settlement, you will see the stock price increase because that will be a huge influx of cash to HCMC, and that is where we see this stock being so valuable. Now, moving forward after this kind of opposition to the dismissal, there will be a response from Philip Morris. That's what we will have to wait on, and that will be coming on April 16th in a couple of weeks. So that is kind of the next step. We will be waiting for Philip Morris's response to this document here. But moving back, let's go to the chart here. We are here on the daily for HCMC. And it seems as though we are coming back up here after a pretty significant drop of around 8% on HCMC yesterday. So we'll be coming back up. It seems as though we came down to kind of test the support here at around 0.001153, and now we'll be coming up here to begin the day. Hopefully we can come back up into this resistance area, but let's get into the 30-minute and see some more shorter term trades as well. And as you can see, there's a lot of consolidation, just a lot of back and forth on this chart here, and we have the 50 EMA and the 200 EMA being well above what we are trading at currently. And it seems pre-market is starting back at this range here. So hopefully we can climb back up into these ranges, come up above the 50 EMA as well as the 200 EMA. It looks like we are getting a rejection off of this support here. And we'll be coming up to hopefully around the 0.001567 resistance. And then once we get a break above that, as you can see, this huge wick here ripped above all of these. So be very, very careful. This is a very volatile stock. For those of you who are interested, this can jump very, very quickly. So please be very careful when trading these penny stocks. But hopefully we'll be coming up to this next resistance here at 0.001886. And then we'll be coming up to our next resistance here at 0.002386. But I would like to also plot a new resistance here based on this wick into this zone. So we had a pretty strong rejection off of this zone right here based on past price action. But moving forward, if things all do go our way, we will be initiating a buy right above the break of this resistance once we get some strong confirmations in this area. So I would like to see that. So just to kind of show you guys what I'm meaning here, I would like a strong confirmation above these candles right here, as you can see, because once it did come up in this area, went right back down. So we'll be looking for strong confirmations above these candles to hit our next price target here at 0.001886. And I do like the stop loss just below the 200 EMA, as this would be a very, very good support right around here. And if we do continue up to our next resistance, we will be taking partial profits here at our first resistance line, reducing our total position, and then moving our next price target to here at the 0.002 range. And then we'll be moving price up to here. And again, this is a very significant stop loss, so please trail it. This will be reducing your risk in the total position to make sure you are not taking out a loss. If we kept our stop loss down here, this would give price the opportunity to come back down and take us out as a loss, and we don't want to do that. we want to protect our capital and ensure gains. Once we hit this price target, we'll be moving our next price target to here at 0.002397, where you'll be taking another partial profit, reducing your overall position. Price will then be here, and again, we'll be trailing our stop loss to ensure that we are taking the maximum amount of gains on this position. And again, we have a pretty big next resistance up here in the 0.003 range. So if you guys want to chart your own kind of resistance lines in this area, feel free to do so. However, I am long-term bullish on this stock, so I'm going to keep my next price target pretty hefty up in this area, and then move price up into here. And again, significant stop loss, so we'll be reducing that either using candle structure or based on a percentage of your position. So with this being said, if you do have a significant price target, as price moves up, it kind of in this area, and you get somewhere around this range, this is still a very significant stop loss. So please do not feel like you have to wait until you hit your resistance and your price targets to be trailing your stop loss. Continuously trail it as price moves up with to come closer to your price targets to keep your risk level as low as possible. But that is all the information I had for you guys on HCMC. However, if you did find value in this video, please drop a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications so you know whenever we come out with a new video. And I also have my Instagram linked down below if you'd be interested in following that as well. But as always, guys, I hope you have an excellent day. Get some gains in the market today, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.